Hi, this is Tony Morgan of the Masterful Engineer programme and A&R boilers, and we've come out to this installation and got low pressure, and what I've discovered is this terrible installation, the way it's been fitted. This is a boiler and I've been looking for the filling loop and I couldn't find it anywhere, and guess where it is? If you look up here, you can see at the back behind the flue, and if we go closer you can see the access to it is not very good. So that's it from the outside. Yeah, I could take this cover off, but it's a lot of messing about, and it's on a screwdriver type slot to get in it there. I'll zoom in, and then the other part of it you can't even get to, because it's right behind this flue elbow. And this is like a house builder, 2-year-old boiler, brand new house, 2 years old, and look the way it's been fitted, slap against the wall, rubbish access. So there's still cowboy builders going on. So that's the end of this little short video, and to little demonstration how not to fit a filling loop on a seal system boiler. So that's the end of this video, and hope to see you soon on the next one.